Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'll show you how I make these polka dot tulle cuffs. These are measurements and materials which I'll be using to make my wrist cuffs. First, I'm pinning centers on both elastic pieces. My elastic is 18 centimeters long and it is 1 centimeter wide. Next, I'm pinning centers on both tulle fabric pieces, and my polka dot tulle fabric is 1 meter 40 centimeters long by 10 centimeters wide. Next, I'm pinning elastic on tulle fabric. I'm pinning elastic center to the polka dot tulle fabric center, and I'm pinning approximately 1 inch of the polka dot tulle fabric edge. And I'm pinning each end of the elastic on each end of the tulle fabric, approximately 1 inch of the tulle fabric edge. Next, I'll sew straight stitch seams to attach polka dot tulle fabric and elastic, and also there and there to attach both layers, and I'll repeat same on other cuff. It is 1 inch gap between elastic and polka dot tulle fabric edge. Now I'm sewing on elastic on the top of the tulle fabric. I'm gathering the tulle fabric underneath the elastic, pulling the elastic, and I'm attaching both layers together. This is how it looks after I sewed my elastic on the top of the tulle fabric. This is the right side where the tulle is, and where the elastic is the left side. I'm folding my cuff in half so the elastic is inside, and I'll be sewing straight stitch there. After I sewed straight stitch, I'm cutting off the excess fabric. I'm turning inside out my cuff. So you see that's the left side where the elastic is. I'm folding that seam in half again, and I'll be sewing straight stitch there. This is how it looks after I sewed the second seam. So my seams are all finished now on the left side and on the right side, and my cuff is finished now. And I will repeat same on my other cuff. And here are my finished polka dot tulle fabric cuffs. If you have any questions how I made these polka dot tulle fabric cuffs, please do comment down below on the comment box. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you next time. Love, Anita.